Parliament ebadde yabbuguma olweggulo lwa leero ng'ababaka bateesa ku bukamwe poliisi bwe yakozesa ku bantu ba bulijjo. Ekiteeso ku nsonga eno kireeteddwa minisita w'ensonga ez'omunda kudda oluvuganya gavumenti Muwanga Kivumbi. Ababaka nga bavumirira ebyaliwo ssabbiiti ewedde, poliisi ng'esakata abawagizi ba Besigye emiggo esabye gavumenti eveeyo ennyonnyole ku nsonga eno.
Right, Honorable Speaker. That's why we demand that the investigation the police is conducting is simply a public relations exercise and a cover-up. And it is insufficient to go to the bottom of the matter.
The disciplinary committee of police, yes, it's a welcome move, but I would want to see them in the courts of law to answer for acts of torture.
Omumyuka wa minisita w'ensonga ez'omunda Obiga Kania anenyeza poliisi olw'enneeyisa yaayo ng'agamba nti tebalaga buvunaanyizibwa.
So our duty here is to advise the police to go and not sin again. I thank you.
Kyokka alabudde bannabyabufuzi n'abantu ba bulijjo okukoma okukyokooza poliisi.
Therefore, those who think they will continue to use the isolated weaknesses in the Uganda police force to advance their selfish political agenda should kindly look elsewhere.
Wabaddewo n'ababaka bagamba nti poliisi yakola kyali kirungi.
What is causing the meeting? When actually businessmen are losing their properties because of movements of Kizza Besigye, why did you put it in the motion? Protect the Ugandans. Because the police has a right to protect Ugandans of their rights and their lives.
Beating somebody walking with the Honorable Mahmoud Babas. What is this defiance that is costing our police, costing our civilians, costing my brothers and sisters?
Kyokka abamu ku baminisita nga Bright Lwamirama bavudde ne bavumirira enkola ya poliisi n'ategeeza nga batuuka n'okukubira ssenkulu wa poliisi General Kale Kayihura ng'amubuuza lwaki basazeewo okukozesa emiggo.
Out of what I called the General Kayihura, I said, why are you using sticks? And he said, but you know we are limited by option. Right, Honorable Speaker.
Ababaka baagala wabeewo ekikolebwa ku ngeri poliisi gy'erina okukangavulwamu ku bikolwa nga bino.
Must never be justified. One day I saw my brother, the Minister for Security, crying having been shot with a bullet in the leg. And that was his second bullet in the leg. And the spokesperson of the military in this country said that was not a bullet. That the general did not know the difference between a bullet and a rubber bullet.
Remember, to come out and make statements against an individual sitting right in front of him, insinuating that I was shedding tears.
The brutality of police should not only be zeroed to Dr. Kano Kizza Besigye.
We are cornering this issue and putting it onto an individual. The word defiance happened even before the birth of Dr. Kizza Besigye. In fact, it means resistance.
Bino byonna bijjidde nga ne poliisi etandise okukozesa basajja baayo abagambibwa okwenyigira mu kuba abawagizi ba Besigye emiggo ssabbiiti ewedde.